In this video, I'm going to show you how you can register your business in Google in this way. And I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn and implement everything right after watching this video. So if you register your business in this way in Google, then people can call you in your phone number. They can get the direction in Google Maps. They can save your business, or they can also visit to your website. Okay, so this can be extremely beneficial for your business. So if you want to do this kind of thing, then watch this video till the end, and I'm going to cover each and everything in step-by-step process so that you can easily implement everything that I'm going to show you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and before watching this video, do smash that like button. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just search on Google My Business. Okay, and then you will get this link. Just click on it, and then you will be able to visit to this site or this interface of Google, and then just click on this sign in. Now let's wait for some time. Now you need to select the email address that you want to use. For example, in my case, I want to use this email, so I can just click on this, and then now you can put your password. Now simply click on next, and then you will see somewhat this kind of interface. Now you need to put the name of your business. Whatever the name of your business is, just put here. So once you put this, then just click on continue. So now you will see this kind of interface, and you can see if you don't want your customer to visit to your place, or if everything works on online, like if you have a YouTube channel or something that exists online, then you can select this one. And if you want your customer to visit to your business location, then you can select this local store. And in case you visit to your customers, then you can select this option. Okay, whatever it is, you just select it. Most probably, if you are watching this video to register your business, then you should select this one. Okay, and I am also going to select this one, and then click on next. Now you will see this kind of interface. Now you need to select the business category at here. Now your business may be anything, but in my mind just something popped out. Let's say hostel. Okay, so you can select youth hostel, working women's hostel. So whatever it is, just select your business, or just type here and select the relatable business. So let's select hostel and click on next. Now you'll see this kind of interface. So just simply select the countries. Let's say, for example, okay, Poland, whatever random. Okay, let's select of United States. Okay, now you need to put all the address at here. Okay, full address of your business wherever it exists. Okay, so I have randomly filled out this information for now. Okay, because this is just for test purpose. And once you fill out all of this information, then just click on next. Now you need to put your phone number, and if you have a website, you can put that too. Okay, so let's put a phone number and see. Okay, so now if in case you don't want to put your phone number or website, then there is a simple step. You can simply skip it. Okay, or if you want to put, then you can put it. So for now, let's skip it. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Simply click on continue. Now you need to choose a way to verify your business. Okay, so the standard way to verify your address is like Google will send you a postcard by mail. Okay, it will take few days or few weeks to arrive according to your location, and just put your contact name, whatever it is. So for example, in my case, my name is this, and then you can simply click on mail. So now it says your postcard is on your way, and you'll get your postcard with your verification code. That code is something that you need to enter inside here, and then only your business will be registered properly. So now let's click on this continue. So now here you can see, you'll see this kind of interface. Simply choose the dates your business opens. Okay, so maybe 24 hours. Okay, so just select it, and again 24 hours, whatever it is, just select it. Okay, so let's say our business opens only in Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, but you can on this all, and then click on next. Now another thing you can do is skip. If you don't have such function of like opening business hour, this kind of thing, if you don't have, then you can simply click on skip. Now you'll see this kind of interface, and this add messaging means if you turn this on, then what will happen at here is, like in here, anywhere at here there will be a button for chat, okay, and your customer can message you directly, and it will come, you will get notification inside Google Business Profile, okay. So if you turn this on, then you are going to receive good amount of messages from your customer. You can also simply click on learn more and learn everything about this functionality, but for now I'm going to turn this off because I don't want to get lots of messages in this. So let's click on skip. Now it's time for you to add your photo of the place or business, whatever it is. Just click some picture, okay. The picture is always appealing, so just click some picture and click on add photo, and then click on select from computer, okay. And let's go to desktop and open this pic, whichever pic you want to upload. So let's upload it, and then we have successfully added it. Now in case if you don't have a picture, for example, if you don't want to add the picture, okay, right now, or you don't have any picture, then let's cut it and scroll below, and there will be an option to skip this step also, okay. So now it says advertise easily in minutes, start advertising your business with Google Ads. But if you don't want to advertise, then you can simply click on skip, and I'm sure that you don't want to advertise for now, okay, by paying some money to Google. If that's the case, just click on skip. And if you want to run ads, then that is another topic, okay. You need to create your Google Ads account and so on, and your ad will appear in this way, okay, in your location if you want to target. So let's click on skip for now. So now you will see this kind of interface. It says your edits will be visible once you are verified, okay. Now you can just click on continue. So finally you will see this kind of interface, and here you can see your business is not visible to customer, and your verification postcard should arrive within 5 days. Use the code on it to finish verifying, okay. You can learn more about verification process, or when you receive the postcard, you will also have the instruction inside that postcard. So watch that properly and verify your business, and then your business will be available in this format in Google, so that people can search and check out your business. Take care. Bye bye.